Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a timetable in Notion. So let's get started. So why is creating an appropriate schedule important or creating a good timetable is important? Well, creating a study timetable is essential since it will keep you organized, help you manage your time well, and guarantee that you have adequate time for each topic or task. Making a study routine gives you organization, helps you manage your time, reduce stress, and increase productivity. Okay, so this is a sample of my timetable. So to start, I'm going to do is to show you how to create a relation property like this. Tap this plus icon, look for relation, and then this time we're going to add a relation here for to-do list. I think this one is for to-do list. Add relation, and then rename this as Saturday. Okay, so as you can see, it is already added here. So let me rename this to Saturday. So if you tap something here, then you can see your to-do list. Okay, so again, tap the plus icon, look for relation, and look for to-do list right here. Okay, so tap to-do list. So whatever information inside your to-do list, you can see it once you tap your Saturday date. Okay, so let me change this one to Saturday. To add again another relation property, just tap this plus icon, look for relation, and I want to sync the information in my urgent task. Okay, so tap urgent task, change this to Sunday, and then click add relation. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. If I tap Saturday right here, then I can see my to-do list. So I can add whatever is set to Saturday also for Sunday. Okay, so that's how you create that's how you use relation property in Notion. Okay, so you can just simply add information here for your timetable for 7 a.m. Monday. Just tap this empty box and you will see there the things that you need to do. Okay, I think this is under my urgent task. Okay, also for other days of the week right here. Okay, so for Thursday, I say or I add relation to classes so I can see my classes here. So for example, at 2 p.m. is literature class, 8 p.m. is history class. So if you scroll down here and then going to to-do list, so all you have to do is to look for table view and then add to-do list, rename that to to-do list, and you can add your to-do list here. For example, goal setting, clarify your objectives. You can add by tapping this empty box and then, for example, you need to create a YouTube channel. So if you want to add more information, you just have to click that. This is another page. So inside this page, you can add a property that you want. You can change the cover. You can add icon or emoji. So for cover photo, you can get it from Unsplash, link, or upload, or gallery. So let's just say here inside my create a YouTube channel, I want to add tips. Okay, so for example, these are my tips for my upcoming task or to-do list, which is creating a YouTube channel. You can add more blocks like table view, calendar, everything is up to you. Okay, so if you want to simply add a property, just click this plus icon. Scrolling down here is my classes. Okay, so you can add the name of your classes here below. And then inside the history, you can, or inside each of the class, you can add cover photo, emoji, and inside of the page, you can add properties and information and blocks. Okay, for example, you can add here like your assignment for your history, your quizzes, your reporting. You can add it right here. If you want to add a block, just type slash. You can add table view. You can add calendar view. You can add headings. You can add image or videos related to your history class. Okay. Or paste a link here for image. All you have to do is to tap that one. It will take you directly to your link or to the image. Okay, so anything useful or all the materials that you need for your history class, you can put it inside of this page. So by tapping this history, all of the materials, everything here, you can simply look and then review. Okay, so as you can see, this is an example of adding image inside this page. Okay, and also link if you want. So add more calendar, you can add to-do list. You can also add your table view here or link database. For example, if you want to add your to-do list inside your classes, you can do that here in Notion. Okay, so after you can add relation. For example, if you want to add a relation or if you want to add another property, just tap plus icon, go to relation. If you want to sync information here in your classes to your timetable, you can just simply sync or add relation to your timetable. And then you can tap this. For example, history is 7 a.m., my economics is 2 p.m., my physics 7 p.m., literature is 5:30 p.m. or 5 p.m. Okay. Now let's move on to this part right here. Okay, so we're going to add Sunday, but this time this property is relation again. And then urgent task. Now let's rename this to Sunday. And then it's up to you if you want to show an urgent task right here or not. And if you want also your Sunday to be visible here in your urgent task, you could also add the relation property here, okay, by adding Sunday. So whatever you put inside or in your Sunday here in your urgent task, if you scroll down below, you can see that there is an update here. It's 7 a.m. Okay, another thing. Okay, so for 2 p.m., urgent task, create a map. So if you scroll down here in your urgent task, you can see here, create a map 2 p.m. Okay, so that's how relation property works in Notion and in your timetable. Okay, you can also add your time right here. And actually, you can go to timetable, you can go to urgent task. It's up to you where you want to update things. Okay, so if you want to add a more time here, just tap this empty box and then you can add more time. For example, 9 p.m., you have another important thing to do, okay, or another class. So you can just simply add the time right here. And then, for example, that is for Saturday. So you can add an urgent task or to-do list on Saturday. Okay, so for to-do list, if you want to add another property, for example, select, you can add option here. This property is wonderful because you can add some options. For example, if this to-do list or this task is in progress, done, or not started. So you can add not started, in progress, or done. So for this time, I only added in progress and done. So for example, this task is in progress. This task or to-do list here is done. So I just have to click this empty box and then choose the option. To add more property, again, just tap this plus icon. This time, we're going to add a number here. And I should say date, rather date. Okay, so you can set the time. For example, in progress as of May 9, in progress as of May 8, in progress as of May 15, done as of May 16. Okay, add another property if you want. Now, for your timetable in Notion, let's just say you want to add your other classes. So all you have to do is to type slash and then add table view again, click new table, and then hide this database. Then rename this to other classes, and you can input your other classes right here. So for example, we have other classes like, let me show this one off. Okay, for example, language learning lessons. You have other classes for art and craft, photography, music lessons. So you can just simply edit right here. Okay, edit this property, um, relation, and then I want timetable so that it will not conflict. It would not conflict my time rather. Okay. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create timetable here in Notion. Feel free to add more blocks by typing slash and then look for the block or block that you want to add here, calendar view, gallery view, timetable view, files and media, everything is up to you. If you want to change that view to board view or gallery view, we can also tap this three dots here and then change the layout of it. Okay, so I do really hope that this video helped you. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.